Back in today's video, we're going to show you how to exchange stickers for rewards in Monopoly Go. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to exchange stickers for rewards in Monopoly Go? Stay tuned because this video is for you. As you can see here, we are in our board. And so to exchange stickers, you need to click on album on the lower right corner. As you can see here, this is a new account. We barely have any stickers. We have 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 stickers. So if you click on the blue round icon here, it says here collect stickers from tournaments, live events, and more. Complete sets and get amazing rewards. Complete the album to earn a huge reward. So, for example, in Adventures of Thor, once you collect all of these stickers, you're gonna get more chances to get duplicate stickers, and those duplicate stickers are what you need to exchange for rewards in Monopoly Go. So, as you can see here, there are 9. So if you cover everything and you get more, you get duplicates, you'll be able to exchange those for rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We got the like on, and we'll see you on the next one.